Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk to you about Amiga. Now Amiga is due to be released on Saturday the 14th of August at 11 AM Eastern and comes from Billy Darr. Now this is the world's first automated Telegram traffic app, and apparently it sends one click, it will send up to 127 buyers every 10 seconds to any link and website or funnel. So we're going to go through the products as usual. I'll take you through exactly what the strategy is, and then I'll take you through the OTOs, and I'll show you exactly what you're going to be spending if you decide to go ahead and purchase Amiga. So guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one, and the idea of the reviews is that you just get a little bit more information before you go ahead and decide to buy any types of products and services online. So just before we start guys, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. So guys, let's jump straight in here. Now, basically this is supposed to give you free traffic. It's all automated, completely hands-free, and it's created for beginners. We'll jump into the dashboard, usual type of dashboard here. If you've ever seen a Billy Darr product, basically the Billy Darr products are all the same. It's all the same interface. They use this isolic.net interface, and it's all the same. Just some of these options on the left-hand side will change slightly. One thing to say about this version, and I really hope they give you training when it gets to the actual main version, and it's decent training, is there is no tutorials on this version. But at the end of the day, what they're doing is they're trying to use Telegram, which is a messaging app, to do their marketing on. So what I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to show you exactly what's happening with Telegram here, give you a kind of an overview of Telegram so you get a good feel for what they're actually trying to do here. So this is my version of Telegram. Now you can download this on your PC, on your Mac, on your phone obviously, and this is the same kind of thing as Messenger or WhatsApp. Now what this allows you to do, which is slightly different to some of these, is that you can actually create a group or a new channel. Now, creating a new channel allows you to create basically an area where you can communicate to multiple people at the same time. So rather than have a one-off message between one or two people, I'm basically creating like a Facebook group type thing on my Messenger. And it allows me to send a message or an image or any kind of graphic to these folks at the same time. Now obviously this does rely on the fact that you've got lots of people that want to be part of your channel or your group. Slight difference between channel and groups. Groups are really kind of aimed at kind of families or small type team type things. The channels can be a lot bigger and you can have a lot more people actually within the channel. There is some huge channels on Telegram. They do seem to specialize in quite a lot of conspiracy type channels, and people do use it to communicate in large numbers. If I just go ahead and show you some stats on Telegram. If you look at Telegram itself, it is reasonably small here. They're saying it's about 200 million here. There's a slight difference in numbers wherever I go, but basically WhatsApp is like 1.5 billion and this is about 200 million monthly users. So it is small, but that doesn't really matter if you're marketing to an audience that's already there. It's more about how you actually get the audience on here. So that's basically what you're doing. This software is allowing you to automatically post on here and also allowing you to create a little bot, which you will find lots of online as well. If you look up Telegram bots, you're allowed to actually put bots on these groups that answer people automatically. So that's kind of the second thing here. Is Billy Darr seems to specialize in creating automated messaging, because obviously he never talks to anybody in person, so he wants to just automate everything for you, and the bot is the way that he does it on here. So that's the idea guys. I will refer back to this if I need to during the review. This is the actual channel that you're going to be putting things on. So if I just come back over to this software, you have the dashboard here, which is just all your stats. Then inside the dashboard you have a area where you can go ahead and connect your actual channel. So if you come over here and you connect your channel, you can search for your group here. Once you connect your group, you need to put an API key in there. You'll have to search on that at the moment, unless they put training in here, which they'll need to, because it is quite complex to put your API key in here and then basically connect your own Telegram application to this software. I'm not going to do that, guys, because I've seen some of the things they're collecting on here and I'm not happy with it. So you come on down here and you can have subscribers actually collected on here. You can have some history on here, some phone numbers, some emails, and some auto logs. And basically it allows you to have all of those details on this application, which to me, if you connect your group and you start bringing over phone numbers and email addresses to this interface, that's very, very dangerous. You shouldn't be actually sharing any of their numbers or their email addresses to anybody else, especially if they're in your own groups. So I don't like that idea, but basically that's what you can do on here. The other thing is you can create replies. Now this reply is basically a chatbot. If I look up here, it actually says app T chatbot, and this chatbot is something that you're going to actually put inside your channel, and it's going to allow you to trigger a chatbot based on certain replies that people have. So if they say make money online, if I click on here, it'll allow you to write a message in a response to that person. So those people in your groups here, if someone was in my group and they typed in here make money online, a bot would immediately come up and start talking to them. That's the idea of the bot in here. So very unpersonal. I don't know why you would need that unless you've got thousands of people in your group and you can't be bothered to talk to them. But that's the idea of this reply here. And that's part of the Telegram automation, is just adding a bot. And again, if you go on Google, just type in Telegram bots, you'll see lots of different options for bots that you can connect to your own channels and your own groups. You can schedule posts on your Telegram as well. So you can come in here, you can pose them, you schedule them, you have some insights here, you have some history, and have an RSS feed. Now when you just go back to the sales page, when it says this is the world's first automated Telegram traffic app, just go over to post plan, and I'll leave the link to this below, and you can get this completely for free, and it does exactly the same thing. In fact, it's higher quality, because when you look at this is a proper company with about me pages, with terms of use, with privacies, all sorts of information down here that make it a much more high quality company to work with than somebody like this. So I would use this if you really want to use any kind of automation on your Telegram posts. All you need to do is hit the try for free and you can start connecting this. So if you go back here under the composer, what they're allowing you to do is create little images. So on their creator over on the left hand side here, they have an area where you can create images, and the idea is that these would be used inside that composer, and you can just go ahead and add them directly into your Telegram. Now the other things you have on here is your downloads. If you look at your downloads here, they've got all of these different downloads here. Nothing actually seems to be happening on this software, these downloads. You can't share them in any way. Nothing can actually happen. And then you have this social share piece here, which is all about social media. Now the idea here is on this social share is you would have to put your channel in here. You can get a channel ID, put in here, and then I'm going to share this channel across all these different social media networks, and basically they're saying I'm going to get loads of traffic back to my channel. The same issue applies here. If you've got no following on Telegram, you're not going to get any kind of traffic back to whatever offers you've got. And if you've got no following on any of these like Facebook, Twitter, if you've got nobody who's actually following on them, again, you're not going to get any kind of traffic because nobody's going to see your link. So they're completely pointless, guys. And everybody puts these on every single product these days, saying it's free traffic. But think about it. For the people that are on your Facebook group now or your Facebook wall now, are they the folks that you're going to start selling things to? If you've got a massive Facebook group, maybe this is something you want to use. But the vast majority of beginners are just normal people with normal kind of social media accounts, won't have any traffic. So this doesn't exist, guys. And the last thing, I didn't really go into it here, is Warrior Plus and JVZoo deals. Now these are the types of deals that you get on Warrior Plus that you can go ahead and promote. All you need to do is look at these deals that are currently on. You can go to the sales pages, which is a terrible way to look at Warrior Plus products because basically they're all misleading. And then you go ahead and you can grab the deal here, go over to Warrior Plus and actually apply for the affiliate links. So that's the way that this actually works, guys. And you know, you're better off going off to Warrior Plus and JVZoo, doing a little bit of investigation and understanding what these products are all about before you start trying to promote absolute rubbish to most people. Okay, so that's the way that this product all works. The big issue I have with this is that all of these claims about traffic are absolute nonsense, because you're not going to have any traffic if you haven't got a Telegram audience. You're not going to have any traffic if you haven't got a social media audience. And basically, guys, you do not need this software at all. All you need to do is get a Telegram account, which is easy. You can start building up a little audience on your channel here. So get a channel here and you can start actually creating one, build up an audience, start inviting people over to your channel. And then if you want to put graphics like this on, come over to Canva, go to say video posts here, look at mobile video here. You can use this completely for free or you can get the pro edition. Find a nice graphic on here that you want to share. Lots of free ones on here. Let's have a look at this one here. I'll just click on this. This is free. You can change everything up in here. You can change all of these videos if you want. I just put one of my own videos in here if I've got any uploads. And let's just put this graphic in here for some random reason. And then download this. You can download this onto your desktop. And then all you need to do is come over here and add your brilliant design to the interface. And then you'll see it turns up there. Now if you want to add a link, just go ahead and write a link in here. And you can do the same thing. So there's no need to have software to do any of this, guys. Just come along and do it directly. And if you really want to start posting or scheduling your posts because you've got a massive audience, come up here and use some service like this. And the whole strategy around having a bot on here to automatically react to people who are posting on here, I think it's a terrible idea. It's very impersonal. Not many of you will ever get big enough to not be able to answer any kind of messages personally and actually get to know people in your group. And quite frankly, I think it's a terrible idea. So guys, let's look at the OTOs. Now the front end is $17. Upsell 1 is the unlimited version at $39. Upsell 2 is done for you edition at $297. Upsell 3 is the automated edition at $39. Upsell 4 is done for you templates club, which isn't related to this, is $39. And Upsell 5 is 50 click and go campaigns at $39. So guys, I'll put these details of these below, but I'm not going to advise you actually purchase this. When you look at the sales page, it's not the first automated Telegram traffic app. And essentially, guys, you just don't need it, because if you've got Telegram, you can build up your own audience on Telegram. This is not going to build up an audience for you, because the way that they ask you to share your channel to the various social media groups isn't going to work unless you have an existing following. Do you get the theme here? It's all about having traffic over to whatever offers you have. And the way that this actually teaches you to just get a random link and send it out to somebody is not the way that you do marketing online, guys. You got to build relationships. You got to provide value. You've got to really, really work at doing the right thing to make sure that people want to buy off you. Spamming links does not work. So guys, I hope that's of value to you. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online using affiliate marketing, we teach you how to do the whole process end-to-end completely for free. Check out the link in the description below and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.